I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss. All right, y'all. It's later than the morning. I've already drank my coffee, but I just stepped on it for my own personal curiosity because today starts my trip. Let's see where we start out at. $170.4. So that's our pre-trip weight. I just think it's kind of fun to do random stuff like this. So, all right, our pre-trip weight. It's 10:45-ish. I had a bite. This is the other half of my steak, my roast steak, a piece of cheese, and some tomatoes. So that's what I'm having right now. I've already had my coffee. Well, hello there. I've been on the road for about an hour, and I pulled over to some snacks. I have an hour left till I get to the airport, and yeah, it's hot out there, but cold. Anyway, there's a nice breeze out there. So I stopped at a place called Love's. It's a truck stop kind of type place, and I figured if they were going to have any protein chips, it would be them, and they did. Yes, I did. And then they had Quest for $4, or this brand I've never heard of was 2 for $6. So, you can't just buy one or something. So I got this. That was ranch, and this is nacho cheese. So road trip snacks for the 1 hour I have left on my drive. Shut it. Anyway, so yeah. When I get to the hotel and settled in, I'll check in with y'all and show y'all everything. Yeah, and I'll show you how I did everything. So, all right, bye. Whew, I'm here. Listen, if you see reflections or whatever, I have on my tank top, so I ain't naked. I just figured I'd give you a heads up. So, there ain't no light over this way. I thought I turned the TV. Well, it don't matter. So, all my stuff is in here. All my stuff. My sister told me to weigh it. It's 48 pounds is how much my luggage weighs. I think over 50, and you have to pay extra. So my luggage right here weighs 48 pounds. It might be a little bit less in the morning whenever I use a coffee and whatever. Anyway, so yeah. So there is my suitcase. So I'm just going to leave it open. I have some pajamas that I'll dig out later. There is actually a restaurant next door. I was asking Mom, and she thinks it's called the Bandana. So right now, I really don't want to show you all. I showed you all what I was bringing, but I really do not want to open this up. I have 3 ice packs, but in here, I've got my veggies, my like 2, it's like, how when you go to, well, anyway, I showed y'all. So I've got all the veggies in here and the frozen burgers, and I grabbed some, the sausages that I use, as the andouille ones. Now, tomorrow morning, I will be taking this and the ice packs to my car, and then, and packing what I can into my backpack. I will try to get maybe a couple veggies into my suitcase. If I get there and they say, oh, your suitcase weighs 50 pounds or 51 pounds, whatever I have to take out to toss, I will be okay. It will be vegetables. It would be $5 worth of veggies. But what I can say about me is I always have to be moving forward. My brain, I need to move forward. It's funny. Somebody used this microwave and it's on 16 seconds. So where's the cancel button? Hang on. Click. There we go. So I have to be moving forward. So what does that mean? Like yesterday, while I was working on getting my stuff prepared, hang on, I gotta fix the girls. When I was getting I had to fix my food, I had to fix my stuff and my veggies. In order for yesterday's Terri to be comfortable about this whole trip, I had to prepare these veggies. I had to. When I'm doing something unknown or unfamiliar, turn this thing on. I need something. Hang on, let me hit mute. Find mute. Where's mute? Mute. There it is. So when I'm doing something out of my normal, I have to do something to make me feel like I have some type of control, some type of comfort. So self-soothing. I think we talked about this yesterday. But like I said, yesterday's Terri needed all this stuff brought up here. Needed all the food brought up. Now, realistic Terri today understands that I might get to the airport tomorrow and they may say, ma'am, your stuff weighs way too much. And so I will take out my veggies, and that's okay. There's somebody outside across the way cleaning. Sounds like they're trying to come in my door. Maybe not. Anyway, sorry. So, but tomorrow's Terri is going to be okay with getting rid of it. And like I said, I know we talked about this yesterday a little bit, but anyway, I'm up here and I'll show you my room in just a second. I am excited. The air conditioner does work. So if I was going to be here for a couple days, I would be quite happy about it. I'm just looking to see what's on over here. There's a thermostat on the wall. Look, there's me. Hi, how you doing? And ice and cups and whatever, coffee maker. I don't use the coffee maker. I've heard too many horror stories and we won't go into that. Oh, that's cool. They have like a little thing. I brought mine. It has the USB and the yeah, mine has those. Both of no, that's not the same. Anyway, I brought mine so I can have everything charging tonight. So yeah, refrigerator and a microwave. I might see. Let me see if there is a working freezer in here. Hold on, let me see. No. So I will probably just leave this sealed up overnight because, like I said, the burgers are frozen and I've got 3 ice packs in there. So I think I'm just going to leave this together and I'll set it over here on the floor. If I felt like getting something out later, I could. All right, let's keep going. Where's my light here? Come on, sis. All right, so there's the front door. Hang on, I gotta fix my ring. All right, so here's my little vanity. I'll use that in the morning. Hey, here. Hey. So, nice vanity. It's a blow dryer, but I'm not gonna wash my hair or anything. I'm gonna wait till I get to Vegas. So, I always keep the toilet lids closed. Even at home. I'm such a habit because I had a dog who was obsessed with the ball. And my biggest fear, well, one time she did drop a ball in the toilet and never again. So ever since her, I just always keep the lid down. And if somebody comes over like a dude, it's fair because he lifts up both things and puts them down and I lift up one thing. So it's fair. We both have to raise and lower something. So nice showers. I don't like these things now that they have. They're not plastic. They're cloth. I hate it because they get wet. But anyway, so yeah. So this is my room. I'm going to stretch out a few minutes. Might even have me a little poopy. And see what the place is next door. I'm definitely not hungry. What do I have left? Hang on. Okay, I ate almost all of my chips, or both bags. But what I did was I put the peanuts down in there. So I haven't eaten too many of the nuts. I just didn't have anything to put them in. So yeah, there's my shirt. I'm just going to sit here and chill for a little bit. You guys want to see something? Look, there's little Tawanda. Look at her out there. She says, hi guys, I'm going to be here. I'm going to be a good girl till Mama gets back. But it's not free to park here. Grandma was wrong. So yeah, I could see Tawanda from my room. There's a pool. Oh, well, there's people in there. That's kind of a green looking pool. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. Okay, bye. So I did hang on. I'm kind of like, you ding dong. I only downloaded like 4 movies on my iPad because I was only thinking about it for the travel. But I mean, I have games on my phone. That's not a big deal. But anyway, what was I going to tell? I don't think I'm going to go out to eat. I had enough protein to choke a horse. So to be quite honest, I also brought along some my brats, the andouille sausage brats. So I'll probably eat some of those and and some veggies. Then that way, you know, I can lighten my load for tomorrow. So, yeah, that's probably what I'll have. But I'll show you whenever I have it. But I just wanted to let you know I'm probably not going to go out to eat tonight. For whatever reason, my mom has always been able to park here for free. For free. But I get here and it's $18 a day. So, yeah, for 6 days? She said they don't count the 10th and they don't count the 16th. So 11, 12, 13, 14, so 5 days at $20 a day. So there we go, $100. No, yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, so $100. I could move my car, but I freeze under pressure. So I was just like, okay. Now, literally, if I drive my car down the way, half a mile, it's at $9 a day, but I've already paid for it and it's all set up. So, yeah, so I have the money, don't get me wrong, but that's just not how I was planning on spending, you know, some of the money on that. So on top of, there was something else that I got that was more than I thought it was going to be. Oh, yeah, I don't read the fine print, and I had to pay $45 to check my bag. So it's okay. Again, I got the money. It's just not how I planned on spending my money. So anyway, yeah, so I'll show you what I eat, but I plan on eating like some of the sausages and maybe the rest of my peanuts or something and some veggies later. So I'll show you that. It is, I don't even know, I took my watch off. It's 4 o'clock. I have to get up at 5 in the morning. I've already set my alarms. Because I need to, they have a shuttle here, so that's kind of another benefit of staying here. You know, I'm not gonna have to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Now that I know it costs to park my car here, I could have stayed at a different hotel and seen which one was cheaper, but you know, I'm just going with it. I'll get up at 5 in the morning, and then the shuttle leaves at 6, and it takes you, the airport's literally across the street. I don't know which direction, but it's across the street. So they will shuttle me to the hotel or to the airport for free. And then whenever I get back, I call a number, and then they will come and pick me up. I have to make sure I keep that somewhere. Yeah, but I have to get up at 5 in the morning, so I will probably be going to bed by 7, 8 o'clock. So yeah, I'd let you know. All right, this is how Terri travels. Everybody travels different ways. My sister was making fun of me because I brought everything in, almost the kitchen sink too. But I don't care. I even brought my clear fingernail polish because I don't want my nails to break. Oh, there's a Terri hair. I don't want my nails to break. And I've been putting a top coat on about every other day, and it's keeping them from breaking. So I even brought my polish. I also brought some house shoes, but I don't have them on for the moment. But I'm wondering if it'll help reduce the weight of my thing tomorrow, because I'll be using some of that coffee syrup, one of my melatonin, 2 of my Tylenol, a little bit of my creatine. I'll be using some collagen and some coffee. So maybe that will help lighten the weight. I'm joking. I'm being facetious. But anyway, I've got my travel kettle here too. And I'll use a few Kleenexes. But okay. Love y'all. Woo. Bye. How you doing? These are the andouille. These are that, what's that fella's name? Dang, I can't think of his name. Adele. Adele's andouille sausage. Amazing. They got a kick though. So I got that. Brought this. Hang on. I'm laughing. I feel like those people from the UK that tried to smuggle some ranch dressing onto their flights. But mine's domestic. So we got carrots. Hang on. Oh. So I have carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. I know I'm eating on my bed. I'm a grown woman. If I want to eat on my bed, I'll eat on my bed. There's a few cutie patooties I've seen in the world that I'd let eat on my bed too. If they decide to eat crackers, I'd let them eat on my bed. That bite? Totes inappropriate. Totally inappropriate, but you know. Yeah, squeeze a little too hard than what I'm comfortable with. Hang on. Oh, I think there's something stuck in there. It's bacon range. There's probably a piece of bacon that was stuck in there. Oh, come on now. Now. My plan is eat 2 of these sausages, and then I'll have 2 in the morning before I leave. So that way I have some protein on board before I get to the airport. And that's what I'm having for supper. You know them nuts are all going. They're all going. Bye.